If you want modernization that preserves business behavior and restores strategic freedom, there's a pattern that works: decouple. In practical terms, that means separating the concerns. The user experience becomes a modern web UI, React, or Angular. The business logic becomes services, APIs that expose validated rules and transactions. The data layer becomes a strategic choice: Oracle where justified, PostgreSQL, or other platforms where it makes sense. When business logic is no longer trapped inside forms' runtime assumptions, the enterprise gains control. You can modernize incrementally. You can standardize security models. You can integrate with identity platforms and event streams. And you can change infrastructure strategies without rewriting the business. Decoupling is how you modernize without gambling with functional parity. It's also how modernization stops being a one-time project and becomes an architecture that supports ongoing evolution. This is the difference between replacing forms and actually modernizing the enterprise application portfolio.